And today we're playing Don't Push the Button, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I don't put a lot of thought into my videos. So, that wouldn't be completely true. What's this? Wait, we have to... my space bar wasn't... Okay, my space bar works. Okay, good to know. I feel like it's all the... I pressed the space bar! The cool thing about parkour is that it's usually... Oh my god, I pressed it. It's usually the noobs who are good at these games because they're usually the ones who are doing these games. Oh! 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 It's getting a bit faster, and I'm starting to lag. Ah! 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 I died. I have a big head that is suffocating my axolotl. That's normal, isn't it? Yeah. Oh. No, what's this? Oh, I can. Noobs. Get noobed. Do I climb up these? That would, like, blue? I'm guessing it's yellow. Oh! I'm lagging! I'm lagging, whatever. I can't do this. The people who play these games have no soul. Oh, I got 100 coins. Never mind. Oh no, I did. Never mind. Never mind. A storm? Oh. Oh, it's pushing me back a bit. This kind of tsunami. How are we supposed to do this? I don't get it. Oh, that's pretty easy. Never mind. That's easy. Never mind. That's easy. You die. Your brain cells are no longer brain cells. They are peanuts. Look at all those peanut brained people. I'm superior to them. I'm the only person in here who actually has a brain. I want to try to launch myself out of this world, literally. Like, fling myself. I don't know if it's gonna work, though. Me go bouncing. That was kind of boring. Reach the top? Oh. Wait, can't I just... Oh, I guess I can't. Losers? Yeah. Those easy. I am your god. I am their god. I want to press it. Haha, I pressed it. Ah, scary. Scary, scary, scary things. Scary. I want to press the button again, because I can. Push, well, I can't. I can just. Can I just. No, I can't have coins? What? I can't step on the coins? I'm the only person left who's big. Oh, it's like I can't. I'm levitating. That's nice. Lucky. I want to get some coins. Whatever. You know what? Whatever. You want to why? Because I'm better than you, and you're just noobs. So. Okay. That was easy. Was that supposed to be hard? Dodge the lasers? What side are they coming from? What side are they where? Oh, how do I dodge this? I can't, I'm too big. No! I was too fat. I was too fat. This is getting kind of boring. Oh, okay. Never mind. I'm not even going that fast though. I'll prove it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Haha. Okay, so that's 7. Turn the lights back on. Turn the lights back on. We're going regular speed. We'll go over. No! This is so easy. Easy. Hey, no fair! It's like spawns here. Ha 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 ha! I will push the button. Oh, me will push buttons. Ah! Push the top of what? Oh. Oh, I already did this. Oh. Ah! It glitched! Oh, it says I won though. Oh. Weird. No, let me push it. Let me push it. Oh, ah, ah. Top. Easy. Easy peasy. Maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna. No! My mouse and everything is not working today. It is not working at all. Roblox is horrible. You see this? You see this? Look at this glorious sunscreen face. Sunscreen face. Why do I have a ball? I don't want no ball. Ew, people with the sunscreen. I'm so scared! Help me! Oh, wait, we could just stand here. Oh, we could just stand right there. Never mind. We didn't have to even watch the snowballs? Where? Oh. Ah! I just fell on a snowball. That's not fair. Gonna run around. Oh my god. You know what? Oh, this game is so fun. So I'm able to get things with coins, right? No? 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 Oh. What do I do with coins then? They're useless. Oh. What the? It wasn't even close, but okay. I want to leave the game. Well, I'm done, so...